Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you the issue no operating system is found. So you can see here initializing and it just showing we cannot open. So don't worry, today I will show you how to fix this issue. So you can see here it is showing just client MAC Adher and GUID, and it is showing like DHCP. It is nothing happening, so no need to worry. But I will show you one procedure if it is fixed for you, and you can open your PC. But if you have a operating system issue, you cannot able to open the PC as well. So see here existing Intel boot agent, and it is showing on the top like no operating system found, boot sequence will automatically restart. So don't worry, now just shut down the PC, force shutdown with the button, power on button. Just press and hold and remove the finger and wait for a few seconds and use the keyboard. Just turn it on. Before turning on, you have to know that what is the boot key for your PC, maybe F1 or F2. My PC is Lenovo, so I will use boot key for F1 to go to the BIOS, not boot key, BIOS. If you want to enter to the BIOS, you have to know the key exactly, F1 or F2. So for my Lenovo device it is F1, for most of the Dell it will be F2. So just press on and press F1 for Lenovo. You can see it is inside the BIOS. Now just click escape, and you have to go to the startup. You can see here in the startup primary boot sequence, also auto boot sequence and error boot sequence. But here you can see here the boot mode is on legacy. So just in the new devices it will be UEFI. So sometimes it will happen this one. Just press here, enter, and just go to UEFI only, enter. And once you change to UEFI mode, no need to worry, just press F10 to save. You can see here it is saying F10 to save and exit. So I will press F10, then enter yes. It is saving. We will see the PC will be open without any interruptions. So the main thing is, if your operating system is corrupted, even if you change to legacy to BIOS, legacy to UEFI mode, it will not open. Also this issue you will face sometimes when you are trying to install operating system as well. At that time you will face this issue as well. So we have to use the this UEFI mode only to even install the operating system. When you are trying to install operating system as well, you have to make sure if you boot the if you make the USB as a bootable UEFI mode, then you have to make sure the PC should be UEFI mode only, then only you can enter. So now you can see my PC is open without any interruptions. So I hope you like this video. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click the bell icon for new updates. Thank you for watching.